Before you launch your website, you should install the Google Analytics Pixel. Okay, so what is Google Analytics? It is a free website information system run by Google, and you install a bit of code on the back end of your site, and this allows Google to track visitors' behavior on your website. So then you have access to most of that data. Okay, so for example, you can see how people found your website. You can see what pages they visited and for how long, and whether they continued to view other pages or they just left the site. You can also see when someone buys something, you can then see how they found you and what pages they visited, and so much more, so much information. And it's obviously really valuable information if you have a lot of traffic and you need to see which marketing efforts are most effective and to see which areas may need some improvement. But this information is also really valuable in the beginning. Sure, you have less visitors, but you need to know as much as possible about the behavior of your customers so you can make tweaks to the site and your marketing is necessary to bring in more visitors. Okay, so to install the Google Pixel, you'll create an analytics account in your Google account, and they'll give you instructions on getting it installed. If you're using a popular e-commerce platform like Shopify, or you have a major SEO plugin for WordPress like Yoast, it's even easier. It'll take you like 2 minutes. Now remember, if your site is already up and running, it's never too late to get this installed. But even if your site isn't up yet, get the Pixel installed now so you can access that data from day one. For more tips, visit SavvyBusinessMethod.com, download the Savvy Business Method podcast, or check us out on Facebook and YouTube.